Hello, welcome to the drill portion of the 200 class. We're going to start off with some common words. Some might be briefs or phrases for you. Here we go. Injury, injured, reasonably, as a result, voluntary, character, persons, dangerous, minor, no, principle, within the, brings, representative, anything, after the, that the, submitted, months, require, received, written, personally, how many, had been, explained, regarding, let the record show, proceed, state your name, are you, Chicago, Illinois, how long, establish, facts, fiction, faction, jury, would you please, will you please, you are the, after, avenue, can you tell, approximately, what is your occupation, what you mean, objections, number, numb, numbered, numbed, proper, characteristics, areas, balanced, relationship, averaged, American, frequently, commonly, energy, itself, limited. Okay, I have a name and address drill for you. Ready? Shirley I. Hall, Hall, City of Irvine, Public Works Department, 17200 Jamboree Road, Irvine, California, 92713. Ms. Mary Ann Perlinski, Perlinski, 4223 West Roscoe Street, Chicago, Illinois, 60641. Ms. Vicki Koch, State of Nevada Department of Education, Capitol Complex, Carson City, Nevada, 89710. Ms. Susan Cullinan, City of Orlando, Planning and Development Department, 400 South Orange Avenue, Orlando, Florida, 32801. Ms. Melanie M. Cantrell, Cantrell, Georgia Power Company, P.O. Box 4545, Atlanta, Georgia, 30302. Emma L. Albert, Albert, In-Service Education, Radford Hospital, P.O. Box 3527, Radford, Virginia, 24143. Chuck M. Cook, Room 303, 100 Garden City Plaza, Garden City, New York, 11530. Glenn J. Shonut, Mobile Enterprises, US 276 and Old Lawrence Road, Fountain Inn, South Carolina, 29644. Patty L. Deming, Cape Coral Hospital, 536 Del Prado Boulevard, Cape Coral, Florida, 33904. My next drill for you are paint colors. Ready? Brick red, burgundy, coral pink, deep red, earthy red, fresh pink, pale pink, perfect red, salmon, smoky rose, apricot, coral orange, earthy orange, fresh orange, maroon, peach, terracotta, beeswax yellow, calm yellow, gold, happy yellow, mustard yellow, pretty yellow, vanilla yellow, aqua green, deep sea green, dried mint, fresh green, hunter green, masculine green, modern avocado, olive green, pale green, sage green, French blue, navy blue, periwinkle, powder blue, seafoam blue, slate blue, subtle aqua, teal blue, Tiffany blue, turquoise. Ashley purple, dusty lavender, faded violet, fresh lavender, lilac, mauve, pastel purple, burlap brown, caramel brown, equestrian brown, milk chocolate, mocha brown, rosewood, smoky brown, blushing beige, cream, golden beige, khaki, nude, tan, aqua gray, French gray, graphite gray, linen gray, mysterious gray, neutral gray, smoky gray, taupe, creamy white, natural white, perfect white, pretty white, pure white, smoky white, egg breaker, this goes on to weird jobs. So the colors stop there. So now that I've started this, I'm going to read you some of the weirdest jobs. Here we go. Egg breaker, egg smeller, worm picker, cow inseminator, body farm caretaker, chicken sexer, zombie, roadkill cleaner, Shark Tank cleaner, virtual gold farmer, and fortune cookie writer. So those are the top 10 weirdest jobs. Okay, I've got 10 of the most expensive weddings. Here we go. Tom Cruise and Katie Holmes, $2 million. Paul McCartney and Heather Mills, $3 million. Liza Minnelli and David Guest, $3.5 million. Elizabeth Hurley and Aaron Nair, $7 million. Wayne Rooney and Colleen McLaughlin, $15 million. All right, so those are some of the most expensive weddings. I said 10, but they didn't actually give us 10. All right, I've got some legal terms for you. Ready? Let's see here. Okay, here we go. Constructive intent. Intent to cause the result of an action which is imputed to a defendant even though the defendant had no desire to cause the result. The intent may only be attributed to the defendant if the act had been substantial likelihood of causing the outcome. Contempt. Failing to comply with a court order or interfering with the administration of a court is contemptuous. Contempt has many forms. Civil contempt is used to coerce persons into complying with court orders. Criminal contempt is levied as a punishment for violating court orders. Violations that occur in the presence of a court are referred to as direct, and those outside the presence of a court are indirect. Legislative bodies also possess contempt power. Continuing criminal enterprise, known as CCE, a federal statute commonly known as the Drug Kingpin Statute, because its aim is at high-level drug dealers and smugglers. To prove a CCE violation, it must be shown that 1. The defendant was the administrator, organizer, or other leader. 2. Of a group of 5 or more people. 3. Who have engaged in a series of drug violations. Contract law. A branch of civil law concerned with written agreements between 2 or more persons. These written agreements are called contracts. A violation of a contract is known as a breach of contract. We talked about that in the tips. Conversion, an unauthorized control over property intended to permanently deprive the owner of its possession. Corporate liability, a form of vicarious liability. Corporations, partnerships, and other organizations may be liable for the acts of their agents when those agents are acting within the scope of employment. And the last one is corpus delicti, Latin phrase meaning the body of the crime, refers to the substance of the crime. In murder, the corpus delicti is the death of the victim and the act of the defendant which caused the death. A burned structure and the act that caused the fire are the corpus delicti of arson. Okay. A few more minutes. Actually, about 1 more minute. I'm going to give you some Tangle Tamers. Here we go. Bail bondsman, clinical study, customary manner, sole function, faithful performance, more convincing, vehicular homicide, ordinary care, reasonably deducted, Common law evidence includes avoid damage, infringement action, transaction between, avoid confusion, similar circumstances, unanimous consent, and interpret rationally. And that concludes our session with the 200 class, the drill section. Have a great day.